Hello everyone, welcome back. Myself and Mr. Levi are just out for a Sunday drive. Come to get us some lunch, and we decided we'd swing by some of the tractor dealerships in our area. So that's what we're doing. This is a Kubota dealership. And no, we're not purchasing a tractor. We're just looking. This is a 7060. A lot of people really like the Kubota tractors. The guy I farm with's got one. He loves it. He's actually got two. And they've given it, the one that he's had for a while has given him good service, so there's nothing wrong with them. They I like them, and then there's things about them I don't like, which is any brand. But like I said, I am not in the market for a tractor. It's just we like to look at farm equipment. We're farmers, that's what we do. But yeah, I'm just looking at them. Some people, like I said, they have a very loyal following for some of the folks that have them, and then again, some folks don't. I believe this one's a used one. It looks used. It's had some time on the drawbar anyhow. So what size is this one, Levi?
M6 111.
It's got the cash centers. It's a M6 111.
Got the spacious cab, that's for sure.
It's unlocked?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's got a very nice cab. Very nice cab. Very roomy.
Open, you can see all of it.
Yeah. Very comfortable operating platform. But probably if and when I do decide to get another tractor, it will probably be an older tractor. I like my farm equipment simple. They've gotten a little complex in my opinion, but now there's a lot of comfort features. I like his seat.
They know how to make seats.
Yeah, very comfortable seat. But nice tractor. We're gonna make a couple of stops. We're in Johnson City, Tennessee. Used to, the gate was open here, but we pulled up. They must have had some vandalism or theft or something, because we pulled up to the gate and it said warning, security cameras in use and all that good jazz. So we're at Johnson City, Kubota. We're gonna check out the Deere and the new Holland place too, just because we have nothing to do. Little feller, he likes this stuff. So we will touch back base with you when we get over to Meade Tractor, John Deere dealer, and then we're going to go by West Hills, New Holland, which will probably be the folks I contact about putting the clutch in the TN70. So what size is this one? 111, M5 111, and I'm not familiar with their numbers, so I don't know whatever. But like I said, a lot of people really like these Kubotas, and they have a very loyal following. So anyhow, here we go. Okay, we've arrived at the John Deere dealership. Normally this parking lot is full of John Deere tractors. I don't know, with all the events going on in the world today, I've noticed the inventory on a lot of these dealerships are way down. That's automobiles, tractors, or whatever. So we're just looking. They've got 1, 2, 3 tractors. A 5045E, a 5055E, and then Levi has found something used over here that's, I think it's used, but anyhow, he's found it. My friend of mine had a 5085E cab tractor that he had some serious issues out of that tractor. They didn't keep it long, and he actually didn't buy it from Mead. He traded back into Mead and got a 5100R, which he likes. But over there's another tractor. We'll walk around and see what they got. Let's see what Meathead has found over here. A few balers, a few Mocos, rotary cutter. Very, very little in the way of equipment on hand. They have several dealerships around. It's just this is the closest one. He has found a 6120M that has got some serious tire issues going on here. They have spun that hard on something. But anyhow, it what do you see up there, bud?
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, you look good in that.
It'd look better hooked to one of these Mocos or that McHale.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Boys and their toys, right? Not a bad looking tractor. There's things I like about the green ones and things I don't like about the green ones. You'll probably see a theme. Biggest thing I don't like about the green ones is just simply put the price. But there is some good points to the green ones too. But like I said, you know, a lot of the later technology and stuff on these tractors, that's one reason I'm looking for you. Earlier, older tractor, when I do look, and I'm not currently looking, 3 sets of SCVs, you know, more tractor than we need. Yeah, you look good in it. He you know, let him play for a little bit. But New Holland Haybine, that has seen some use. But a Vermeer 504R roller, various odds and ends, but Meathead, come on. Let's look around. But this is the John Deere place. We're gonna stop, we're gonna walk around. One thing I do need, let me look at the cab on this one. This is a M series. It's a what? 2018. See how the cab compares to the Kubota. Yes, I like the cab. And like I said, this is an M series. Looks pretty good. Wonder how many hours on this tractor.
This ain't too big.
It ain't too big. Levi's convinced that this is exactly what we need. I am not convinced this is exactly what we need. For our operation, you know, the tractor that the role the New Holland plays is our primary tillage tractor, as well as our hay tractor. And you know, it does a lot of the things for us. So that 70 to 100 horsepower range is where we want to be.
This gives you more to play with.
And it that's where we want to be. That, you know, our equipment and everything's set up for that size of tractor. And you know, the land, and we're farming 30 acres. I can't farm 30 acres and pay for that tractor, plain simple. You know, even a lot cheaper tractor. But you know, once again, I'm not looking to buy a tractor. We are killing a Sunday afternoon. We went and had us a nice steak, so we're good to go now. Now he's spotted the gators. But anyhow, let's walk over here. Here's something that I do need. This is something that may be on the horizon. I don't see none. Meade used to carry Krone hay equipment. I don't know whether they still do or not. What they have here, we need a 4-basket tedder. Let's see what they got. This is a Vortex in Rossi. I've heard good things about these tedders. I've heard great things. Okay, they ain't got them put together. I've heard great things about the chrome ones, but this is something we've got to pick up at some point. Is a 4-basket tedder. So, but I don't know what kind of price. I did price a Krone last year, and I priced one out the road here at Carter and Carter. I can't remember the name on it, but it looked very similar to this particular tedder. But that's something we are going to have to get at some point. We will need one of those. But I don't know. Does it have a tag on it anywhere, Levi? Every now and then at these dealerships, you will find they put a tag on it. This is probably a sold tag. No, here we go. $67.49. That's list priced. So I priced a Krone, it was north of 8. The other one I looked at out Carter and Carter was around $5.55. So give you an idea. One out Carter and Carter was a heavy built tedder. We may ride out there since we're so close. It's just right over the hill there. But 560M roller, that thing's a beast. But anyhow, we will move on. We'll either ride over to Carter and Carter, or we will swing by, or we'll go to New Holland place. That is a monster of a roller. But anyhow, let's get on down the road here. Okay, so we did go by Carter and Carter, and the inventory there was very low as well, as it is here. This is West Hills tractor, Jonesboro, Tennessee. Case in New Holland. I've never ran a Case. I've never known anyone personally that's got one. It's Case 75A. I know that they're all Case New Holland now, but I do like to look at the different features. They're like I said, I know very little about them. I have seen a couple in our neck of the woods pop up lately, primarily because of this dealership. So we got a 110C, 105, 100. I don't know what that was. That one's 75, I think. So, and they're all locked, which is a good idea. What is this, a 110?
That's 110. I like it.
But, you know, basically a New Holland, which, you know, they have their different features. But, we do like to look at new equipment. But there is something they have here that one of the reasons we are here, Levi is going to find it. We're going to walk down to the used equipment section and see what they got. So hang on a second. Well, we didn't make it all the way to the used section. We're gonna swing by and look at the new Hollands they got here. T5 120. Yeah, it's a big heavy tractor. Hop in there, Levi, and look it over if you want to. But once again, sort of like the 6120 we was looking at, not something that we need. So that tractor's got axle seal leaking both sides. All right, might this be something they sprayed on it? But what we got here, we have a 110. What's the I can't see, but anyhow, these are very nice tractors. You know, like I said, blue paint, green paint, New Holland disc mower. Carter & Carter's where the place we went by that didn't have much, and these folks' inventory is there's usually lots and lots of tractors here, so you can tell that inventories are way down. But Carter & Carter's where we bought the I bought a disc mower and the roller. So down here is more along our speed. That's a Workmaster 70, Workmaster 55, a little small, but for what we're looking for, or not what we're looking for, but when we do decide to pull the trigger and get another tractor. What's that one? Firestar 110. Here's a Firestar 110 and a Firestar 100. All right, let's walk out to the used stuff. We've made our way around to the back here. They've got some more tractors sitting back here. I don't know whether these are new tractors they just haven't put out front, or trade-ins, or special orders. They got some hay equipment, case roller, stuff sitting all around, but you know, they've got this rig sitting here. Looks like a new one that's not been. Yeah, they've got several things sitting around, but like I said, if I have the clutch put in New Holland, it's probably where it'll come to. There's a 4630 Ford. Those are good tractors. That's Blue Belly. Those are real good tractors. They've got other things sitting around, but hay rakes, all sorts of stuff. They're Coon dealer. New Holland mower conditioners. Like I said, they got a little bit of everything. This is a dealership's been in business a long time. They've sold a lot of equipment down here through the years. They Bush Hog brand. Like I said, they deal with oh my, Coon, Bush Hog brand, Case New Holland, a little bit of everything. But they were supposed to have a 1-row silage chopper, is why we walked down here to see what they had.
And it's still listed.
They still got listed. They got case loaders, New Holland loaders, buckets, used buckets, some well used and some well used. There's a coon rake, used one. And let's see, they've got, don't wander off too far, Slick. Sprayers, headers, used tractors. Let's see what they got in used tractors. Yep, Levi's found a Harrow. Let's see what they got in the used tractor. We have a New Holland. What is this New Holland? It is a Power Star 75. We have a rather large Kubota with very dark tinted windows. It is a M110 GX. Still got dirt in the bucket. That's a rather large Kubota. We got a New Holland 1075D. Oh Lord. A New Holland with a Bush Hog brand loader on it. Looks familiar. It may be in worse shape than mine. And I've got my keys, but I left them out there in the truck. Looks like that old tractor has seen some duty. Get Levi to look it up online, see what they're asking for it. New Holland TS100. A TN85A. Ford 3600. He has found a case. There's a TN70. That tractor actually looks like it's pretty good shape. What have you found? The Case 150 Maxim? You like that, huh? Oh yeah. Nah. He likes them big. Here is a 4630 New Holland.
I'm gonna go check out that New Holland.
And there's the TN70 open station. TN70 open station. But anyhow, that's what we're doing. We got one more stop, and we will we're gonna check out one other place. But I do not, they had listed a 1-row silage chopper. They may have sold it. And it's a New Holland 718, and we were just gonna look at it, see what kind of shape it was in. But anyhow, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is the interior of a Case. What did you say this was?
120C Farmall.
120C Farmall. It's kind of about like the rest of them. Hop out, bud. It's getting hot in here. It's a nice tractor, but I don't know. Looking at all of them, it's fun to compare them. But yeah, this is a 120C Farmall. So, but you know, new tractors, you got your def, and you got all these hoses, and you got your wires, and you got your sensors. You know, I like more old school. Not quite the steel wheel job sitting there, but old school. There's a 100C, so it's interesting. Alrighty, let's off to the next stop. Okay, it's our last stop. I've traded with Chuck's farm equipment here a time or two. There's the Tennessee Highway Patrol absolutely booking it. But anyhow, I love little places like this. A lot of times you can find things that you can't find anywhere else. Used equipment, turning plows for one. You know, he carries a few new things, the Titan bush hogs. You know, and he can get a lot of stuff too. So, but I like dealing with these little independent guys quite a bit. But I bought a couple things off of him through the years. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed our Sunday evening ride, me and Levi. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe, give it please subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you see a video you like, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or comment, please do so. We're going to try to do a live stream one Sunday, just whenever get everything worked out. But for now, me and him's going to go get us a milkshake and go home. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.